Now we are going to add the show hide password button. So when the user click on the show hide button, it will show hide the password. So we back to the login component, and after the labels, we also want to add the button. So after the label, we add this, and we format the document. And now we have the button with the class name absolute and the right 2 and bottom 2. So it will put at the right bottom of the input field. And we have the focus test grade 500. So when we click on this button, it will turn grade. And we also want to has a round corner, and the text is small and the font weight is semi-bold. So now we can test on our web page. So when we click on this, you can see it turned grayed. And we also actually do not need this round corner because we do not have any background. So now we go to click on this. You can see it has a gray colors. So now we are going to add the functions to show and hide the password. So first we have to go to the top and add the state. So we use the use state, and then we go to add show password, and then we use set show password, and then use state is false, and then we create another functions, and then we use press show, and then we pass the event, and then we use event.prevent default, and then we set show password to not show password. So what this means is if the default value is false, when we press on this will become true, and vice versa. So we have this function, and now we are going to bind these to our button. So we go to the button, and then on here we add on click, and then we pass the event, and then we use the press show. So now the first thing is if this is show password is true, then we will display the hide. So when the user click on the button again, it will hide the password. Otherwise, it will show the show text. And we also use this to control the type. So at here we use if show password, then this is text. Otherwise, this is password. And we have to define the use state. So we go to here and import the use state from React. And now we have this show hide button. So now we can try on this and press show, and then press hide. So this is how to create a show hide button.